Welcome back to Epic Sword Art. Today, Sushi Squid and I will be showing you how to draw King Bobomb from Super Mario 64. For this tutorial, you're going to need a pencil, a permanent marker, a paper, and something to color with. The first thing we want to do is take our pencil and trace a big circle in the middle. For this, I'll be using my garbage can. Now that we're done with that, we can move our pencils off to the side because we won't be needing them anymore. Now we'll start doing details on the face, such as the mustache. So we're going to start in the middle and then do a big curve off to the side, and then drag it out and bring it all the way back. But make sure they don't touch because we have to do the other side. Like this. Then we're going to move on to the eyes by doing two diagonal lines going there and there. And then we're going to close them off with a curve. Okay. Now we can move up to the crown by doing two short lines here and here. Then we're going to do two more ovals on each side here on top. Like that. Then we're going to do another one in the middle, but this one's more of a full circle. Then we're going to close this top part off with a zigzag, like this. Now that we're done with all the face details, we can move in and trace this pencil line with a permanent marker.
But make sure not to go on the mustache because that overlaps it.
Now you can erase all the pencil lines that show through the mustache. Also, if any of the pencil overlapped here, you can also erase that. Now we're going to move on to the legs and the arms. These are the hardest part of the tutorial, so just be careful. So to start, we're going to do two lines coming out of the bottom like that. And then we're going to connect them with a curve. Then we're going to do an oval here that gets blocked by the leg like that. And then we're going to bring this down. Now we're going to continue this way by doing two curves. One going like that, and then another one continuing here, and then we're going to bring it up and back down because kings have these weird pointy shoes for some reason. And we can connect them here. Now that we've done that, we just need to mirror it on the other side. So we're going to do the two curves, connect them, the oval, then I'm going to come down and around. Okay, now that we're done with that, we can move on to the hands. So we're going to start with this one first by doing the same two lines. And then we're going to close them off. And the oval. This is where it starts to get hard. So we're going to do a curve going up and around like that. And we'll bring it back in. Then we're going to do another one connecting it like that. And then a line going here. Okay. Now I've made the first hand. The left one is a bit different, but still almost the same. So we're going to do the two sticks going out. The curve. The oval. Like that. Then we're going to reverse this a bit by doing curve here, but then it doesn't just go here, it goes like that, it goes up like that, and then we're going to start here and do a little swirl going down, and that's it. That's the permanent marker part. Now we can start the coloring. as you can see, we added a bit of shading to the mustache to add more depth to it. So that's pretty much it. If you liked this tutorial, please leave a like and maybe even subscribe. And also, make sure this thing doesn't blow up.